Hey everybody, Jack Leeson here with MajorLeagueTrading.com coming at you with your weekly market trade plan. And I'm going to go over some news events this week that we're going to want to pay attention to. It is Monday here. So tomorrow we're going to have trade balance out of the Canadian dollar. And then tonight at 9:30 we have the RBA rate statement out of the Australian dollar. Wednesday, crude oil inventories out of the US dollar. At Thursday, RBA Governor Lowe will speak at 3 a.m. and then at 6 o'clock in the morning we're going to have a ton of Great Britain pound news, Bank of England inflation report, the official bank rate votes, monetary policy summary, and the rate statement. The official bank rate. And then at 6:30, the RBA monetary policy statement. And then on Friday, Great Britain pound manufacturing production and employment change and unemployment rate out of the Canadian dollar. So those are your main news events for the currencies this week. I am going to talk about the S&P 500. Primarily because we've sold off a solid 250 points in the last 6 trading days. So it's been an incredible move down. I was highly aware that we were going to trade lower. Can't say that I made a killing on the way down, but I definitely didn't lose any money trying to get long. When the market starts slipping like this, you got to know what it looks like, and you really have to stay away from picking a bottom. We can pull back much further faster than what anybody anticipates, and that's exactly what we have. But the good news is, for me at least, I do think we've come into a support level that I'm going to be looking to trade, and we've already had a first test bounce pretty decently. That level is 2594. So this is where I've highlighted the market, 2594. That is really where I'm going to be looking to potentially trade a retest. And then there's another level. I don't think it's going to come into play this week. I don't think we're going to drop another 100 points to get there, but of course anything is possible. And so I'm going to set alert. That level is 2506.25, and that is in the S&P futures market. So there's two levels I'm looking at here, 2594 and 2506 quarter. So let's take a look on the daily chart. Let me just show you really the last time we had consolidation. And I have a Fibonacci retracement that lines up with this, but the last time we had consolidation and broke out of those highs in November, which is really when we began the last leg of this bull run. So there's been a great bull run here coming out of November, really around Thanksgiving, and the market started going straight up. That's actually right when Bitcoin started going straight up as well. We have retested that area, and this 2594 is a level I'm going to pay attention to tomorrow. Now, just to be aware, I do think tomorrow there's going to be potential liquidation force at the open in the S&P 500, but I will be looking for us to trade below 2594, but close above it. Right now, I'm going to have to go to a smaller time frame here, but we definitely have downside profit targets, and I do think it is possible. Let me get to measure this real quick. I do think it's possible tomorrow. My lowest point I think we would trade down into is 2535 tomorrow. And if we trade down to 2535 off the open, if we are down at 2535, which is significantly lower than where you're currently trading, we would need pretty much let me just measure it here real quick. From where we're currently trading, we're going to need a 75 point drop. A little over 75 points, but we dropped 100 2 days in a row. We can definitely drop 75 tomorrow. That's not out of the question. But if we get down to that 2536 level, I wouldn't be surprised to see us make an incredible short covering rally of 70 points or more. So as we get down to that 2535 level, that is a major buy zone for me tomorrow. And as far as resistance goes, the one thing I want to pay attention to is 2672.5. So whatever trades first, whether it's 2535 or 2672.5, those are the two levels of support and resistance I'm going to be looking at. But just to kind of back out on the weekly chart, guys, take a look at this. All right. Anytime I start fielding phone calls from friends who are concerned about the market, I know that the reporting can get scary. This is the last area of consolidation where we had back-to-back weekly red candles, and the last area we truly broke out from. So for us to find support around here would be completely normal, and if we don't, I do expect us to head back to the 2500 level. Corrections happen quick, guys, and to me, that's actually, I love trading binary options. You know, if you were to go long a stock or something, or a futures contract, and you didn't have a stop in, you know, you could just one contract, if you were just long one contract in the S&P today and held it all the way to the close, you would be down like over $7,000, actually like right around $8,000. So, you know, that's why I love binary options. That's why I love Nadex. And for those of you guys who are interested in learning more about trading or just keeping on top of the technical videos that I release, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Major League Trading, or look us up on Instagram, Major League Trading as well. Everybody, trade safe. Feel free to like this video if you appreciate the content. Remember the levels that I've marked up in this chart. Keep your trades small, keep your risk tight, and everyone enjoy the week. Take care.